How to fix Discord incorrect time zone. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till end. First of all, open up settings on your device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Now go to app management. Now scroll down. Now tap on Discord. Tap on force stop and go to storage usage. Now once you're there, simply tap on clear data. Now tap on delete. Now once you're done, simply go back. Again go back. Now on the main settings, simply scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now tap on system and update. Now tap on date and time. Now make sure to enable set time automatically. Also enable set time zone automatically. After that restart your device and that's it. I hope this should fix it so. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.